Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I will show you how to make this trendy collar. So first thing to do now is to mark our starting point. Remember, this is on fold, so I'll mark 9 inches. That's 18 divided by 2 is 9, the round of the neck. I'll mark 5 inches for the length of the collar, give like 1.5 inches space, mark 3, another inches space, mark 4, then come down to 2.5 inches. So I'll still mark 9 inches here just to be sure. So I actually extended the tip of this collar by 1 inch. I'll go up here by 0.5, then connect it down to the edge like this, then come in by 1 inch, then extend it to the tip of the collar. I'll add 0.5 inch for joining. So I'm going to cut 2 pieces of this and iron a stay on the 2. So you can decide to iron collar stay if you want it to be thick. The material is thick already, so no need for that. So I have ironed the a stay on the 2, and I'm going to place it this way, then sew on like this. So this is me sewing it on my machine. I just marked the point that I want to sew on like this, then after which I will then turn and iron. So for this pointy part, the best thing to do is to use something and poke it out just like this. I've ironed it as well. Next thing to do is to add the collar stand. So I notched here and here. I'm going to place the 2 notched parts together like this, and I'll place the second collar stand. Then on my machine, I'm going to sew it this way. After sewing, you give it a notch so that it will relax well when turned. So this is what it looks like after ironing, and is ready to be attached to the shirt. I've already attached the collar to the shirt. Well, if you don't know how to attach a collar to a shirt, kindly check my video on how to make a 2-piece skirt and shirt.